So, Google's focus is shifting toward the next-generation Pixel lineup and Android version following the Pixel 9a launch. Over the weekend, the intersection of Google's hardware and software efforts highlighted significant performance improvements, driven by the upcoming Tensor G5 chipset. A major shift in the Tensor G5's development is Google's decision to transition from Samsung Foundry to TSMC for manufacturing. While this move promises efficiency gains, it also forces Google to replace certain Samsung-sourced components, including the image signal processor. According to insider Kamila Wojciechowska, Google is now developing its own ISP rather than relying on Samsung's existing solution. Google has a history of working on in-house imaging technology, with previous efforts like the Pixel Visual Core in the Pixel 2 and the Pixel Neural Core in the Pixel 4. However, when Google transitioned to the Tensor chipset in the Pixel 6, these initiatives seemingly came to a halt. Now, the return to an internally developed ISP signals a renewed focus on computational photography. By integrating the ISP more closely with the Tensor G5's CPU, GPU, and AI-driven processes, Google aims to refine image processing rather than compromise camera quality. Further insights into the Pixel 10 series emerged through the Android open-source project, where a Google engineer left notes detailing enhancements in boot performance. The code references a new parallel module loading process that improves loading times. Pixel 10 reduces 30% loading time, and Pixel Fold reduces 25%. Given that last year's Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and Pixel 9 Pro XL all shared the Tensor G4 chipset, it's likely that the Tensor G5 will be standard across the Pixel 10 lineup, meaning this 30% boot speed improvement should apply to all models. Meanwhile, the mention of Pixel Fold suggests a slightly lower 25% gain, which could indicate performance constraints due to the compact internal layout of a foldable device. One possibility is that the engineer's reference to Pixel Fold pertains to the upcoming Pixel 10 Pro Fold rather than previous foldable models. If so, the difference in boot speed optimization could stem from hardware limitations specific to foldables. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Google Pixel 10 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.